Hello guys, what's up? So this video is very important for those who has completed their PhD. Several vacancies and positions has been carried out in BARC, Baba Atomic Research Center. They have taken out several projects in which they are taking several uh, students who have completed their PhD in the following branch. We will see further in the video. So let's start with the video. Recruitment is based on the total 31 position as research associate, and 14 position are specifically for metallurgy and materials engineering student, and minimum qualification is PhD, and PhD should be completed. So first project, it is on based on development of synchrotron and neutron beam lines, optical multi-layer devices, liquid hydrogen test, loop and physics research. Total number of vacancies are 4, and eligible student are from PhD having degree in physics, chemistry, material science, earth science, or a relevant field. And duration of project is up to 31st of March 2024. Further detail also we have uh, given in the link. You can see our link in the description. And another project is on processing of materials and control of material degradation for nuclear industries, zirconium based, nickel based, and titanium based alloys. And here is one RA vacancies, and eligible candidate should be from science or engineering in material science, chemical or metallurgical engineering, and field of area will be of extractive metallurgy, and nature of project will be processing and characterization of RE metals and alloy, and project duration is up to 31st October 2022. These all are the temporary position. So make sure these uh, as per the duration of the project. And research project third is based on processing of materials and control of material degradation for nuclear industries, zirconium based, nickel based, titanium based alloys. And here is also one vacancies, PhD in chemical or materials science, and field of work, chemical science, material science. Work involved the evolution of in-house developed polymeric resins for sorption of the metal ions, spectroscopic characterizations of metal species sorbed onto resins, process developed for bench scale demonstration, and project duration is up to 31st October 2022. Project 4 is based on processing of materials and control in material degradation for nuclear, industrial, zirconium based, nickel based, and titanium based alloys. Both are the same project but having different role of work. And here is also one RA position having the same qualification, PhD in metallurgy, material science, and mechanical as well. And work involve the following: establishing the oxidation behavior of nuclear materials, titanium based alloy specifically in actual partial boiling conditions, establishing the effect of surface modification of machine austenitic stainless steel, and its effect on SCC mitigation will be established. Work will be done using an indigenous design and fabricated setup, and the duration is up to 31st October 2022. And there is a fifth research project position, and the name of the project is processing of materials and control of materials degradation for nuclear industry, zirconium based and nickel based and titanium based alloy. And here is also one position available, and the qualification is PhD metallurgy in mechanical and chemistry as well, and field of work is metallurgy based, and the work involved corrosion electrochemical studies of various candidates materials, specifically for titanium alloy, stainless steel, and zirconium alloy in boiling nitric acid in 3 phases and in various aqueous solution of interest, also establishing microstructure corrosion property correlation. So duration of project is up to 31st of October 2022. And sixth project is based on processing of materials and control of material degradation. That both are the same position, and having the qualification for PhD metallurgical engineering with specific specialization in powder processing and characterization and extractive metallurgy. And field of work, preparation and fabrication of metal alloy, ceramic and their characterization, and nature of work, scientific and technical. And this project having the same duration like earlier one, that is 30. First, both are the same project, but role of responsibility is different. And here is the research project 7, where processing means it is also the same project, and qualification is PhD in material science and chemical science. The field of work, as I told, it is different. The work is in the field of electrochemical deposition of U and other refractory, that is metals coating thin film from molten salt and their detailed structure characterization in terms of phases, crystal structure, chemical state, GIXRD, XPS, and FESM. These knowledge at least a candidate should have for carried out a testing on these machines. Cross-sectional investigation and property evaluation such as hardness, corrosion, resistance, wear, and coefficient of friction, etc. And this work may be extended to synthesize superhydrophobic coating for antimicrobial applications. And nature of work is experimental and having a duration up to the same as per the last. And this is another project, a different project from the last one, having a name of the project is high performance carbons and carbides, and requirement of RA is only one in this, and must be PhD in chemical science, physical science, material science, or metallurgy. And field of work is energy conservation, conversion, storing, and sensing. And nature of work, fabrication in thin films and nano material based electronic device for application in energy conversion, storing, and gas sensing. And project duration is 31st October 2023. And this is the different same project as the project number 8. And here the qualification is almost same, like a PhD in science, engineering, chemical science, chemical engineering, material science, and metallurgy. And field of work is chemical vapor deposition and materials processing. Nature of work is development of vertically aligned spinable array of carbon nanotubes. Duration of project up to 31st October 2023. And is the last, uh, but not the least, name of the project is development of a novel multi-resolution fracture model for prediction of graphite failure strength. And requirement for RA is 2 in this, and PhD in engineering, some prior research experience is must, like publication in area of crystal plastic or dislocation dynamic will be useful for this work. And field of work computational materials modeling, and the nature of work is based on research specific damage mechanism in graphite under quasi-static and cyclic load will be simulated using a suitable modeling scheme. The developed failure model will be validated with the experimental data. And project duration is up to 2023 October 31st October. And in some of the important information is there. The fellow recruited will have opportunity to carry out research under plan project or other research project of work under the guidelines of senior scientists. Interested candidate may apply in the prescribed format with complete biodata, one set of photocopies of mark sheet, degree certificates from SSC to ME, MTech, or and a PhD, that is must, as we said, other academic credentials and work experience, and duly filled in application must be sent to deputy established officer recruitment fifth, that is the address, uh, that Central Complex Bark, and that is in Mumbai. and the candidate may apply separately for each project position. And about the fellowship, the last date of recipient is 10th of May 2021, and education qualification, as we discussed, as said that he should be PhD completed. PhD should be completed, and fellowship for RA1, RA2, and RA3 is accordingly like 47,000, 49,000, 54,000 plus contingency and other information. Link we have already given in the description. You can go there, and you can go the BARC website as well for further information. And one important note: research associate will be fixed at one of the three fellowship as indicated above. That is, depending on the qualification and experience. The level of which a fellow will be placed will be decided by the interview committee based on the following: what is the quality of the PhD thesis, post PhD research experience as evidence from the quality of publications, and product processing, design and develop and processing in the selection interview. And another point is, the department does not grant any such fellowship to scholar who have submitted PhD thesis but awaiting for evaluation of thesis. So again, I am marking this point. A student who are awaiting for thesis evaluation are not applicable for this post, and a person with provisional regular PhD will be treated as per with research associate and will be eligible for fellowship as per extent role. And thank you for listening. For further research related or other vacancies for the aspirants like for BTech or diploma holder or masters or PhD holder, you can visit our website or our LinkedIn page, Metallurgical Engineering. And for the latest update, connect to us on Instagram. Here is the link. Thanks for listening.